It is not only in the bush that you get snails. You can also get your organic, natural bush snails in the market. These are not cultivated snails. They are real, natural, organic bush snails. And I got them to make pepper snails. You will like it. Welcome and welcome back, beautiful people. It's me, Greyglamma, GGM. Today, I am going to show you how I shopped for snails and I made peppered snails. Before I go any further, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell. Also, like and leave a comment on the video. Thank you. You can see that my customer here is removing the snails from the shell. Such a quick and clean job she did. Then after that, I took the snails home and then washed them thoroughly. Because of the way she removed the snails from the shell, there are no shells, nothing, very clean. So what I did was I cut one lemon and then use the juice. You can use lemon juice or lime juice to wash it. Gone are the days when we use ash, when we use potash, when we use all sorts of things to clean snails. Now we only use lime or lemon juice. Then you clean out the the slime that is on the snail. You clean it out very well, wash the snails, drain out the water. I repeated the process again because I wanted to be sure that I cleaned out all the slime from the snail, so that after cooking it, there will be no remnant, there will be no leftover slime, the water will be clean and not drawing. I should remind us that snail meat is highly nutritious. It has iron, it has vitamins and that are essential for health care, for skin care, and cell renewal that are good for eyes. Snail meat is very low in fats. It prevents cardio diseases and other heart diseases. So snail is a good meat. It is highly nutritious. So the next thing I'll do is I'll add fresh chopped garlic and salt to the snail and cook it for 20 minutes. The garlic is to help remove or quench the stale taste or odor of the snails. You know, when you cook snail, it has this smell or whatever. The garlic will help quench it or bring it down. Then after 20 minutes, as you can see, because of the way I washed the snails, it doesn't have slime. After 20 minutes, I'll drain out the water. If you have high blood pressure, I recommend that you drink this water. You can keep it and drink it because it helps bring down the blood pressure. And also it helps stroke patients, people who have a stroke. The water is very helpful for stroke patients and to bring down high blood pressure. Now I am going to fry onions in this red oil, and then I will add ATARODO, that is habanero pepper. You add pepper according to taste, okay? I don't eat much pepper, so I add like not much pepper. But I know that in the shops, in the restaurants, those people, they want to kill us with pepper. Oh God. It is called pepper snail, but at the same time, please take it easy on people. So I now added seasoning cube, and I am adding now EHURU. EHURU is a special spice condiment that we have in my place in the Igbo land, and it is used to bring out the taste of food. And now you add the washed and cooked snails into the mixture. Add little water. Cover the pot and allow it to cook. Cook again in the sense that the ingredients will now cook into the snail. This is so lovely, so wonderful. Cook it, allow it to cook on very low heat for another 10 minutes. Now you have your peppered snail. Delicious, highly nutritious, easy to make. My recipes are always easy to make, and then ready to eat. You can enjoy it anyhow with any drink of your choice. Add your special favorite vegetables. Here I added UTAZI. UTAZI is a vegetable that has this bittersweet taste. And you can also add onions. Personally, I don't like eating raw onions. And you have your homemade peppered snails. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, leave a comment, and subscribe to my channel if you have not. I hope to see you in the next one. Till then, bye bye.